This is the review for the first part of this week's lesson. If you have not answered all of the questions, please stop this video, go back, work on part 1, and then watch the video to check your answers when you're done. So the first question that showed up this in part 1 is on slide 6. Where do plants get most of their weight from? The answer is C, the air. Thinking outside the box, matter that was once in plants is a part of you, and matter that was once in you is a part of plants. What do you think this means? Here's what I wrote. I think this means that I eat plants, and some of that matter I use to grow. I also breathe out carbon dioxide, and that gas is used by plants to produce the sugars that the plants use to grow. So, in that sense, there's probably some plant matter in me, and there's some of the matter that I breathed out that the plants are using for their leaves, roots, and stems. On slide 7, you needed to analyze data. In both plants, plant 1 and plant 2 that Jeff planted, the soil decreases by 1 gram over 9 days, but the plants increase by 5.7 grams for plant 1 and 5.8 grams for plant 2. To figure this out, I just did a little subtraction. 7 and 2/10, or 7.2, minus 1.5 gives me 5.7, or 5 and 7/10 grams. If I subtract 7 and then I subtract 1 and 2/10 grams from 7, then I get 5 and 8/10 grams. So that is how much the plants increased in weight from day 1 to day 9. So I agree with Jeff's claim. Lima beans get the materials that they need to grow mostly from water and air, not soil. I think that his data supports the claim. The reason that his data supports the claim is that after 9 days, the soil decreased in weight by 1 gram, while the plants increased in weight by 6 grams.